Hola, mis amigos, ¿cómo está? So, hey everybody, I just wanted to take a quick minute to film about something that was so funny. I'm on a long winter vacation and I caught a lot of flack from my family because I did not pack light. And why should I have? I'm on a 2-month vacation. Why can't I have the things that I want that make me happy? So let me just tell you very quickly about 2 things that I put in the box, because when you're in the Caribbean at a beach house, well, technically we're not at the beach, we're on the golf course, but it can still have that beachy feeling. And every beautiful beach house has beautiful beach signs. So here, this one, beach, hangs outside of our sliding glass door to the patio. And there are several mermaids in my house. So there is a mermaid crossing for the queen, and there is a mermaid crossing for the princess. My mother is here, so clearly I am not the queen. And then tropical vibes, and these just sit around the house. And one more thing that was for the home decor, my favorite candles. Whew, child, who leaves a home without Cocoa Cove? Not me. So my box was heavy with candles and definitely signs to make this little villa my own. It's called Winter Vacation, Extended Vacation. So you gotta feel at home. Those are some of the things that made my boxes heavy.